Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Even the place such the ambiance for what is
about to happen.
It's not vibration. Please, take me.
Who is starting first? Start. My dude. Cynthia, what did you just say?
Did you make this?
Yes, I made it. What do you think?
It's amazing. I like it.
Boss, what do you say?
Did you really make this yourself
Without
influence and help?
No.
Yo,
This is the highest jollof.
okay.
How this here?
Amazing.
Let's see.
We for open restaurant.
I don't know.
Up in the
Why you need to know?
That's it. Whoa! This shit is fire!
Hey. Tell them. Let them know.
No cap.
Let them know. Let them know. Tell them.
my sentence? Let's go to rich now.
She said this is top. I you say the room. I think I said this is a top crowd. Yeah, man.
So why we enter be the first people we enter?
So now finally we have May in the building. There she is.
Hey.
You feel me?
I am just, I can't believe it. This
Bless
is Jollof
you.
by Sarkodie.
This
For
is
me.
so. This is before. So we will take it after when you have first. My man, my man. Wait for Wagwan.
It's a beautiful brand new.
And one.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So that's before the going.
Sarkodie's rice.
Ghana
Jollof.
Okay, so
Okay.
already the camera is on.
This is a moment of truth. You know, it's worth praying about before I eat it.
Ah, there you go.
Woo! Okay. Trying to get the
Nice. Look at this. Look at the plate. No, May. So please tell me, how was the food?
It was delicious. I want some more. I'm trying to be polite and sweet.
I'm not saying, how did you have? Yeah. At some point.
That was nice. That was very nice.
Pepper.
Amazing.
I'm not doing wrong.
Amazing. You want more? Someone even asked me if you have a favorite. This is like, which one means the most? So they will mean this. Yeah.
This one's on.
This is incredible.
Streets you're cold, streets you're cold. What we go eat? Only got knows. A breath up here with dreams. That be the steez, boys for blow. We all the chase the
My dude. Cynthia, what did you just say?
Did you make this?
Yes, I made it. What do you think?
It's amazing. It's really good. I like it.
Boss, what do you say?
Did you really make this yourself without influence and help?
No.
Yo,
This is the highest jollof.
okay.
How this yam?
Amazing.
Let's see.
We for open restaurants.
I don't know.
Up in it.
Why you need now?
Done, yo. That's it. Whoa! This shit is fire! Hey.
Tell them. Let them know.
No cap.
Let them know. Let them know. Tell them.
Our sentence, there's no original.
She said this is chop. You say the go. I think I said this is chop crowd. Yeah, man.
The one we enter be the first spoon we enter.
So now finally we have
Jollof.
May in the building. There she is.
Hey.
You feel me?
I'm just, I can't believe it. This
Bless
is Jollof
you.
by Sarkodie.
This
For
is
me.
so. This is before. So we will take it after when you have first. My G, my man. Wait for what go on.
It's a beautiful brand new.
And one.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So that's before the going.
Sarkodie's rice.
Ghana
Jollof.
Okay, so
Okay.
already the camera is on.
This is a moment of truth. You know, it's worth praying about. Before I eat it.
Ah, there you go.
Is it nice? Woo! Okay. Trying to get the.
Nice. Look at this. Look at the plate. No, May. So please tell me, how was the food?
It was delicious. I want some more. I'm trying to be polite and still.
I'm actually, how did you have? Yeah.
That was nice. That was very nice.
Pepper.
Amazing.
I'm not doing wrong.
Amazing. You want more? I can't even ask me if you have a favorite. This is like, which one means the most? Or they all mean the same thing? Yeah.
This one's
This is incredible.